Whoa, don't you love it? Winter's here. Look at all this snow. Well, we're out here today because I have another drone to show you. It's this one. Doesn't it look kind of familiar, like a drone I've shown you before? You know, from the inexpensive drone line. And doesn't it look kind of similar to like the Mavic Air? Yeah, it does. Well, this drone, what's different about this one is it's by Helifar and it's called the H1. You can see the writings on, I don't know if you can see with the sun here. There you go. Maybe that's a better view. You can see the name of the drone. And the claim to fame with this one is that it has a long flight time and it comes with 3 batteries, so you get over 30 minutes of flight time. That's when you use all 3 batteries. So it's not expensive. So for 3 batteries and a drone that has a long flight time with a 720p camera, that is movable, by the way, you know, it's not bad. It might make a good Christmas gift. So I'm just going to show you it right now. And I guess I'll test out if it's waterproof because I'm putting it in the snow. Put you down right here. There we go. All right, will you take off? Oh, and look at, I forgot to show this. This here is the controller that comes with it. It's a really decent controller. And one thing I like about the controller is, look at this on the bottom. You have a down arrow and an up arrow. So that is land and that is take off. It makes it quite easy to use. Well, let's try it out. All right, so there's my little drone down there. And here's the button here, right over here to make it fly up. There it goes. I don't know how the video quality is on this because I've got the camera pointing down a little bit and it might have some snow on it. Let me just bring it up here. There we go. There I am in the backyard. How's that? Here, I'll fly over me. Nice and slow. You know, it's not bad. I've got it in the first speed. There's a huge button on here for speeds and it's kind of breezy out right now. Getting my house is blocking some of the wind, but it's pretty stable and it's nice and quiet. Here, let me just put the speed up. There we go. Second speed now. Here we go. I'm so used to DJI drones with their braking system. This has no braking system. When you let go of that throttle, it's still moving forward. Wow, is that ever stable? That's pretty decent. All right, let's put it in the third speed here. 3 beeps. All right, here we go. I'm stuck down. It almost hits. Whoa, brakes, 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 brakes. Whoa. Okay. That's some pretty awesome flying there, Steve. And let's see how it does in height. Well, a lot of trees here. I don't know if I want to go all the way up there. Let's try this way. Yeah, a lot of wind up there. It's really getting blown around, so I have to go slow. Yeah, but it's not bad. I've got it way up in there, and I'll bring it down. This drone here, like all drones, does flippies. So let's try the flippies. There we go. Flip either way, flip the other way, flip forward. Now it does have headless mode for beginners. So headless mode is when you're learning how to fly. You see how I'm flying this with a controller? I've got it facing me. Normally you have the drone facing away. If you've been flying for a while, you can do like I'm doing. It's very easy to fly with one hand. But if you're a beginner, it's kind of difficult. So there's a headless mode button on here. And that means whenever you push the right joystick up or down or left or right, the drone will fly in that direction no matter how it's facing, so it's really good for beginners. And it's got a super long flight time, and it comes with 3 batteries, so you really can't complain about that. Now one thing that's really good on this is these 2 buttons, one's up and one's down. So if I hit the down button, it goes down. And if I hit the up button, it goes back up. And now a quick unboxing of the Helifar H1. Opening the box, taking a look inside, we see we have the drone and the controller. Just remove the plastic. Let's take a quick look at the drone itself. It's quite small, quite light, nice paint color. And you see we have a camera on the front that is movable. And we have the little arms that will fly out just by moving them out, and they rotate the legs to the rear. Batteries in the back, and it just slides out. The battery is a 3.7 volt rated at 1000 milliamps, so that's pretty good flight time. And looking at the remote controller, we can see the buttons are all super nicely labeled, so you know exactly what they are. Stop button, power button, joysticks feel really nice. Nice big hole here. That's where I'm going to show you something attaches. Here you have the 360 flip button. There's the speed button, and you have 2 buttons right here. One is down and one is up. And in each of these compartments is where you place the batteries. Finally, we have the cell phone holder, which fits on the controller. It just fits in like this. There we go. The cell phone holder is in. Also included in the box is the instruction manual. a pamphlet of tips on how to fly the drone. You get a total of 3 batteries, so that's over 30 minutes of flight time with this drone, which is pretty decent actually. You get prop guards for indoor flight, 4 spare props are included, 1 battery charger, and finally 4 little legs for the drone to raise it above the ground. Now we're going to put a battery in the drone and put the drone on the scale. And it weighs 100 grams. All right, so that concludes my review of this drone. This is the Helifar H1. It comes complete with 3 batteries, this really nice controller with a mount for your cell phone. It does record at 720p. It does fly for a long time. I'm still on the same battery. So I've been flying with this battery now for over 12 minutes. And the little lights in the front, they will blink when the battery's low. It still hasn't started to blink. So it's a really long flight time. Look at the bottom of it, it's just full of snow. Holy cow. And that's not included in the price. So I'm going to put the links below. It is available on GearBest, and the price is not bad, especially since you get this, the controller, and 3 batteries. You will fly for a long time, so if this is something you want to get for flying around the house, flying outside, charge up the 3 batteries and you'll be flying for over 30 minutes. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next video. I'm just gonna go land this right here in the nice little snow. Come on over to me. Wow, I saved it. Hit a tree and I'm still alive. All right, take care guys. All right, landing. There we go. Let's go and dry you off. See, still not flashing. Still pretty good. All right, take care.